Hi Mano, it's very nice to see you. I was wondering if you can tell me more about the energy camp which we're going to have on 11th till 13th of March. Tere Mano, nii tore on sind jälle näha ja kas sa saaksid rääkida natukene energialaagrist, mis toimub 11 kuni 13 märts.
Nice to see you too.
Sind on samuti tore näha.
Yeah, the energy camp is going to be a very great energetic experience.
Et energialaagris on siis võimalus kogeda väga suurt energiat.
We work at opening our energy.
Me töötame siis oma energia avamisega.
Living with more love, more freshness.
Et elada rohkem värskelt, rohkem armastades.
We do Osho meditations together.
Me teeme koos Osho meditatsioone.
A lot of healing exercises.
Mitmeid erinevaid tervendavaid harjutusi.
I want everybody in the world to learn how to be a healer. It's needed.
Ma tahaksin, et kõik maailmas inimesed õpiksid, mismoodi nagu olla tervendaja. See on väga oluline.
The first part is, of course, learning how to heal ourselves.
Et esmalt on muidugi alati vaja õppida, mismoodi olla tervendaja iseendale.
Learning how to open our inner treasure.
Mismoodi avada oma suurt aaret, sisemist aaret.
Learning how to overflow with a big dynamic energy.
Ja mismoodi siis valada ennast üle suure dünaamilise energiaga.
And then learning also how to share that and spread it with the people we love and the new friends who meet around us.
Ja samuti siis ka jagada seda inimestele, keda me armastame ja ka uute sõpradega, keda me eludel kohtame.
So yes, come, everybody come to the camp.
Nii et jah, kõik tulge laagrisse.
It's a great place because we have the whole day together. There's special programs in the evening. The atmosphere is beautiful. Et see on hästi suurepärane koht. Meil on hommikust õhtuni erinevad programmid, erinevad meditatsioonid ja see atmosfäär seal on samuti väga imeline. So you learn and experience so much in the camp to get you ready to go deeper in your life for the rest of the year. Nii et sa õpid ja sa koged nii palju selles laagris, mis aitab sul minna sügavamale kogu oma elus. And March is beautiful. March is the month that spring is getting ready, the winter is ending, and it's a time for freshness, it's a time for overflow. Ja märts on samuti väga ilus kuu, et kõik tärkab, kevad algab, talv on läbi. And always at the camps, people who want to have individual time with me or to have your questions answered, there's always a space to do that. Ja laagrites on alati ka võimalus siis individuaalseks seansiks veetma, kes soovib individuaalset abi. And camp is a beautiful time for everybody. Ja laager on hästi ilus aeg kõikide jaoks. Sometimes not the whole family wants to participate in the meditations and energy process, but the wife does and the husband can come and live at the camp, or the husband does and the wife can come. Ja samuti on võimalik tulla ka perekondadega, et isegi kui ei taha kõik osaleda, aga näiteks naine tahab, siis naine saab osaleda laagris ja mees saab olla seal koha peal või vastupidi või lastega. Beautiful, healthy atmosphere for the family to grow and enjoy. Väga ilus ja terve atmosfäär, kus siis terve perega saab kasvada ja nautida. Thank you. Aitäh! For sure. I'm happy to be back in Estonia. Mul on hea meel olla tagasi Eestis.